Howdy, howdy. This is for Wise Restoration. My name is Joseph, and what you're looking at right now is called a heat map. So we run a Google My Business map listing through this tool, and we can see exactly where they are and are not showing up in search results. So let's just say someone is looking for a drywall contractor or a roofing contractor or a foot surgeon, right? They're going to get businesses in these top three results. These top three businesses are going to get 80% of the phone calls. And more than likely, they're going to do business with the one with the best reviews, right? So when we run your business through this heat map, you are not being displayed across the board, right? So anyone looking for a roofing contractor, you're not showing up. Okay, so I mean, we can, let's just zoom in. The best ranking you have so far is right here, this McDonald's in this area, and you are number 9. So right there. Which means there's 8 other businesses in front of you. And they're most likely going to do business with the top 3. So, I mean, we can just click on this one right here. Look up Orlando Roofing Company. And we can look at their heat map. Okay. Now, everywhere where you see a 1, 2, and 3, there's a 3 out here. Out here in the sticks. So they're getting a lot of calls from a lot of different areas. Right. So if you want to learn how to take advantage of this online search and start getting more sales, stick around to the next video. I'm going to show you how.